Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am very excited about this one. I feel like every girl needs a hat like this. I call this my on-the-go hat, and I wanted to share with you guys, and I know it's going to be beneficial to some of you. So first things first, if you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and let's go on this journey together. Your support is highly appreciated. So yes, again, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I created this hat slash weave slash wig, whatever you call it is your own name, but this one I call it my on-the-go hat. Let's get started. So for this one, I am using a needle and a thread, 2 bundles of hair, and a hat of your choice. I choose this one just because it's a hat that I love wearing, and I just wanted to transform it to make it something different. I'm using a wig cap that I'm gonna cut off the elastic band on it and use the mesh, I guess, because I wanted to use a net and I didn't have any on me. So I'm gonna be creative and try to find something that I'm gonna use to make this, to create this unit. So pretty much what I'm trying to create here is a little rectangle kind of mesh. You see what I cut it off to a little rectangle. I measure my head with it though, where I want the weave to stop, and that's exactly how the measurement that I took. Now I'm just gonna pin it down on my head board here, and then just go ahead and sew the weaves on it. I have 2 bundles of hair. There's one that is longer than the other. I'm starting with the shortest one just because after I'm done with this, it's gonna be flipped over before I sew it on a hat. So that's why I'm starting with the shorter one. So just my preference, just because I want the longer one to be on the bottom, if that makes sense. So I just started sewing it. I'm gonna sew it all around, back and forth to this little rectangle here, and I sew it very close together, and all the tracks are double and very literally very one right next to each other, really close together. you can see how close those things are together. I mean, those tracks are together. All two bundles are on there. Pretty much everything is in there. At this point, I'm done with the quantity of the weave that I want. So I'm just gonna take it off the board and then just sew it into the hat. It is time to sew it on the hat, and you can see how I flipped it over and sew it in, trying to find the middle of the back of the hat and just making sure that I evenly distribute this one in the back so that one side is not over the other one. So as you can see, now the weave cap that I used to sew that weave in is on the back, so it kind of protects the hair from my head when I wear it, if that makes sense. So when you're sewing this, you're making sure you don't go too far on the outside of the hat. That way when you flip it over, you don't see the threads on the outside of the hat, so it looks more natural. I'm grabbing as little as possible of the hat when I'm sewing it so that it doesn't show on the outside when I flip it over. So here is the final look, the final result. You can see I sew it all around just so it stays in place and it doesn't move and it doesn't sag down. As you can see, it's nice and full. That's the amount of hair that I'm doing my little dance there. When I'm happy about a style, I always do that. So yeah, and I went ahead and put some curls on the hair, and voila. Yeah, you won't tell me this can come handy on a busy day when you have to get out of that house like that, especially during winter when it's cold outside and you just have to go, but you need something to put over your head. guys, that is it for this video today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you have other suggestions, please leave me comments and we can all share and learn together. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you guys on my next video. Until then, bye.